So we're working on a unit, and you can hear the gases bypassing the TXV. This is a CDMLT air handler. Unit is off. It's off by the disconnect, but our TXV is still open. I hope you can. It's picking up on the phone, but the gas is bypassing. So one of our co-workers made this tool. It will allow you to open and close the expansion valve. So we're going to do that now. So we're going counterclockwise. Sounds like it's opened all the way. Stop it. Now we're going to go clockwise. Now you can hear the hissing stop, means it's closed all the way. Now you can plug it back into the board. This is the electric expansion valve wire, closed all the way. It stopped on its own. Now you can plug it back into the board, and you shouldn't be bypassing anymore.